Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare VS Code versus Sublime Text. We'll explore their core strengths and help you decide which editor best suits your coding style. VS Code, developed by Microsoft, provides a comprehensive integrated development environment. Sublime Text, on the other hand, is celebrated for its exceptional speed and efficiency. Let's dive into the specifics of each to understand their unique offerings. When it comes to features, VS Code shines with its integrated Git, powerful debugging, and a vast marketplace. You can find over 50,000 extensions to tailor your environment. Sublime Text, however, offers unique features like Go to Anything for quick navigation and multiple selections for efficient editing. Its package control system provides thousands of packages, allowing for significant customization to enhance your workflow. Performance is a key differentiator. Sublime Text is famous for its incredibly fast startup, often launching in less than 1 second, and its minimal resource consumption. It typically uses around 100 megabytes of RAM. VS Code, while powerful, generally requires more system resources. Its memory usage can range from several hundred megabytes to over 1 gigabyte, especially with many extensions or large projects open. Finally, let's consider community and pricing. VS Code is completely free and open source, supported by Microsoft and a massive, active community. This leads to frequent updates and a wealth of online resources. Sublime Text offers a free evaluation period, but a license is required for continued use. It has a loyal user base and receives consistent, high-quality updates, though perhaps not as frequently as VS Code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.